Yo, good day, good day. I think it's a little bit dark here, but I don't know. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, active, active. Please, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? Greetings, greetings, greetings. Can you hear me? I need to be sure you guys can hear me before we, proceed. All right. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm sharing the link now. I want to be sure that everybody, gets the link. You know. Okay, great. So we'll just start right away. We'll start right away. You can, like, as usual, you can share this video. Okay, share this video to your friends and all that. Family, friends. So that they can be able to join and also come and enjoy and partake from what we are doing here. Okay. So, having said that, let's begin. Having said that, let us begin. Okay. So, I'm very, very interested in ETH at this point in time. The reason why I'm interested in Ethereum at this point in time, like ETH, obviously, ETH is the native token for Ethereum. So, the reason for the Ethereum blockchain, so quite a number of people don't know that, So, ETH is the native token for, the Ethereum blockchain, right? So, I'm really interested in ETH for what it is. I have let's say 50% or 60, no, let more than 50, let's say 60% of my investment is in ETH, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so we're going to start with ETH today. Okay, we'll start with the ETH today, and so let's know what ETH has in stock for us, because another thing here is that, guys, please, can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen? I want to be sure you can be able to see um my chat. Can you see my chat? Okay. Yeah. So like I said, I'm really interested in ETH. Let me check ETH chart here. Yeah. So this is ETH chart. I'm ETH. ETH is, so if ETH is not moving, then forget about the bull run. Okay. So ETH has had a breakout already, and this breakout simply means that obviously we are going to this place 3,500 first of all. Guys, please, are you with me? Are you with me, please? We are going to, that is the first confirmation for 3,005. So from this place, we're heading to 35. So most times, the chart behaves like this. So now that we have a breakout, right? Now that we have a breakout, what the chart normally does is that it will come back to the test this neckline, and rather it will come back down to retest the trend line. And retesting the trend line is it retesting its former resistance that is now a support. Then we'll have a parabolic move to the what? We'll have a parabolic move to this particular point. And is this particular point is around $3,500 zone on ETH. And mind you, this move is going to send the market spiking. So If ETH is going to retrace from this point now to this neckline, rather to this point, it's going to be a 2.79% retracement. Please, are you with me? It's going to be a 2.79 retracement, percentage retracement. Okay. Now, from that zone, if ETH is going to pump from that place, ETH will make a pump of 7% to this place. Now, this is on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, we're expecting this move. So now, this analysis I just did here, for those of you that want to take this trade, very simple. I'm gonna drop the trade for you guys here. Very simple, so that you could take advantage of it. You with me, right? I don't know why this button is not clicking. Please, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? I need to be sure you can hear me before I continue. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I can see. You guys can hear me. Okay, cool. Sorry, I'm trying to. This stuff is freezing. I don't know why. Let me reload it. It's freezing. Let me reload that page. Then I continue on ETH. Okay. So, no, this ETC, ETH. Meanwhile, these are the analysis I did on ETH yesterday for our trade yesterday on ETH. I don't know if you guys remember. I was saying that I prayed this thing picks our entry. Then I was saying people should take a trade. When it came down here, I said, please, if you can, let us take a market order. And from that place till now, let you see how crazy trading can be. From this place, from this point, it has done a 4% pump. That is like 40 my ETH analysis I was doing. Well, let me use CoinX. So I say that I mentioned something, especially for those of you that are just joining now. I mentioned something. Yes, Junior said this will miss that one. Yes, but when I was posting, I said, should we take market order now? Should we take market order? Some people took market order actually. In fact, me, I've been on ETH since, so I've already been on ETH straight since probably before that time. So, like I said, we've had our breakout, right? And after a breakout, I always believe in breakout and retest. So this is our breakout on ETH. Now breakout, we're expecting a retest. So in this retest, I said from this point down here to the top here is about 7.9%. Okay, so right now I'm going to put out a live signal for you all on ETH again. So put your entry at 3. So your entry should be at 3,248. Please, you with me? So entry on ETH 3,248. Please, are you with me? I need to be sure you're with me. Entry 3,248. So new entry for ETH 3,248. Guys, please, I need to be sure you're following. Okay, cool. Miracle said, Miracle, SCOB said, yeah, yeah. So, okay, so I assume we're following. So our new entry should be 3,2. Okay, no, yeah, 3,248.2 for this particular trade we're taking on live. Okay, entry stop loss 148. Take profit TP 3,540 for this trade. Then your leverage is 10x for this particular Ethereum trade, ETH trade. So this is our end. This simply means now you see something about trading. Trading, everything is connected. Everybody here that knows how to analyze can um, can attest to the fact that currently this zone I just marked out is a resistance. So ETH will likely respect this resistance and retrace down to 3,248 before we have another spike. It picks up another liquidity that will break it and go to 3,005. Okay, so currently we should be expecting Ethereum to start retracing from this zone. And when it starts retracing from this zone, some people are going to think that we are bearish, we are that, but they don't know that it's always breakout retest. Forward, 5 step backward, 10 step forward, 5 step backward. That is the bull run. Guys, are you with me? Please, I need to be seeing comments and reactions so that I'll be sure that I cannot really see your face, or rather, I cannot see your face. I need to be seeing comments and reactions so I'll be sure that everybody's on this with me. Okay. So please, are you with me? I don't want to be saying, are you with me? Are you with me? Because when other people come to rewatch the video, it will not really make sense like this. Okay. So yeah, so this is our ETH live trade. Yeah, this is a limit order. Nathan said this is a limit. Yeah, this is a limit order. So we should be expecting some retracement from ETH now. So that is if the buying pressure is not much. We should be expecting a retracement from this place down to this zone before we get another impulsive move. Okay, so this is it. This is it on ETH, right? So now um that's ETH on the 4 hours, right? So I'm going to open another ETH chart because, like I said, I'm really interested in ETH because there's a lot that's going to happen with ETH. So I'm really, really interested in ETH. Okay, let me see some trade. This trade just touched my stop loss and down back then, but it's well. So let me show you ETH on a daily. Let you see why everything is making sense. Okay, why everything is making sense. So let us say we want to use a daily to analyze ETH, just the way I did here, right? Now, see what's happening on ETH on a daily. And, it's about to get massive for us here. So, I kept saying ETH to $4,000, ETH to $4,000, right? The reason why I decided to do this type of analysis live, the reason why I love to do this type of analysis live is because of uh, I'm using it to build, let's say, a social proof so that you know that, oh, this guy is doing this online live, this is how it is live. And people are going to come back to this video and they'll be like, people are going to come back to this video and they'll be like, oh wow, look at what he did, look at how he did it, they'll be like, oh yeah, truly this guy is really bad, it's a badass, so yeah. So now I'm showing you ETH and why ETH is going to go to $4,000, right? $4,000. Please, are you with me? I need to see comment before I continue. I want to be sure everybody's with me. We're in Nigeria, so you never can trust network. If you they talk, main network no they go well. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, Victor said close above the trend line, we're booming. So I'm going to show it's going to close above the trend line. So because of that's one thing that comes to studying. Okay, so because of I have studied the market so much, I can in most times tell you that look at the movement of what the market wants to do, even before probably a normal analyst or a regular analyst confirms or sees this stuff. Now I'm going to show you one of it today, and probably some of you might get educated from it, and know some of you might get educated from it and know why I say what I said. Okay, so now this is the normal trend line everybody knows. You know, this is the normal trend line everybody knows. But before we get to that trend line, let me show you something. We this is my super feed that some of you are begging me to give you my setup, which I will not. So from here, we have my Fibonacci. Here, 61 is called my golden zone, my Fibonacci. Okay, so this from this zone, we are going straight to 5,001, right? 5,001. That is what it's giving us as take profit. But right now, our first local resistance is at 4,000. That's why I tell you ETH to $4,000. Okay. Now, anybody that is telling you otherwise, tell the person to analyze this, tell the person to analyze just the way Big DC have analyzed. Let them show you the reason why they are doubting you. Now, or rather, they're doubting this analysis. Then, secondly, trend line. Obviously, like the good analysts say, you guys know trend line, right? So today we are breaking this trend line for the first time today, right? Though me, I've had my own confirmation on ETH to 4K for a very long time. In fact, even to 7,300, but then I've done that in other videos. But right now, let us focus on 4,000. Right now, there's something. Let me draw this image. Let me be sure everybody's following. Guys, are you following? So, are you following? Please, I need to see comments to be sure you're following. Keep liking this video. Also, react to the video, so that it could reach other people. Are we following? I need to be sure we are following. Let's keep the energy high. I need to be sure we're following. This is some mother's analysis I'm doing here. Following. Yeah, cool. So there is something, one powerful, when you read the history of candlestick, you can go and read it. The reason, and then read the history of technical analysis, you then discover that what technical analysts were trying to do is that they now finally figured out what to call a pattern. Okay, now let me give you an example. Something you might not see. This is called top one, neckline, top two, breakout. When you hit a retest back to the neckline, the rule is that there must be a dump, and that is what I just showed you now. The same thing I want to show you right now, right? So there's something called inverted head and shoulder. The shape is always like this, most of the times like this. Then you have a parabolic move. Inverted head and shoulders. Those of you that can analyze what I'm saying, is it making sense? You get what I'm saying, right? Those of you that know how to analyze, chart patterns and all that. And like me, you can never see me doing moving average and all of those stuff. I don't do that, because if you read the real history of candlestick, you discover that it is patterns. Rather, if you read the real history of technical analysis, you understand that it is patterns that technical analysis was based on and built on. So I stick to the basic. So you can never see me talking about moving average and all of that. Never. That is why I am very, very, very good, extremely good at what I do. Okay, so now let me tell you the shape that ETH is forming here. I'm going to expand it to you. Not a lot of people have the type of eyes I have when it comes to the market, right? Now let me show you what ETH I've done here. So from here we have, this is like some mother's education I'm doing here, bro. So we now have, let's use this place. From here we have shoulder one. We have our head here. We have our move. That's why I told that I'm expecting a retracement down here. Then the next thing we're going to create is a shoulder two, right? A shoulder two. According to daily, we might come down to 312, 3197. That is almost close to that 32 I told you on a 4 hours. But now, because of his light on a 4 hours, right, we might hang up around this place. So the head and shoulder, the two shoulders must not necessarily be perfect at the same place. So we might let's say we might be here. And when we get to this point, we have formed the shoulder too. And guess what? Parabolic move. Honestly, anybody that disputes this does not know any single thing about trading. Then this is one. Then if, for instance, he doesn't want to do that because of the buying pressure is too much, just like the way we're talking and it's pumping. If he doesn't want to do that, then guess what? See what he's going to do. This is on the daily. We have bottom one, we have neckline, bottom two. Then this candle, this particular candle needs to close above that neckline. That is double bottom pattern. Then when we have a retracement back to this neckline, we'll pick another entry. And this entry from this neckline is going to take us parabolic. But either way you want to see it, ETH is extremely bullish. Any other person tell you anything is itiaki. The person does not know jack. Any other way you want to see it now, ETH is extremely bullish. But guess what? Because of, how many of you read the article I wrote on, the little article I wrote on BAPTSD? How many of you read that? How many of you read that article? I just put up a little article on BAPTSD. How many of you? I put out a little article today on BAPTSD. How many of you saw that article? Okay. I put out a little article on BAPTSD. So you can go and check it. Now, because of BAPTSD, one would then want to have a little retracement of 3% retracement and all that. What you start seeing it is you start seeing people say, no, Bitcoin wants to, everywhere is dumping because of BAPTSD. But this is simple breakout and retest. Breakout, retest, you pick an entry. Breakout, retest, you pick an entry. Trust me, you will be the most profitable trader you have ever known from just trading breakout and retest. So that is the reason why I love doing this type of analysis live, so that there's nobody on earth, even those boys at Wall Street, this is the same thing that they do. They cannot tell you anything different. Trust me, this is fucking professional. 100. So in all you are doing, buy ETH. ETH is showing from a weekly time frame, ETH is showing 7,800 as take profit. So you'll be getting almost 2x if you buy ETH now. So buy ETH, especially for those of you that have big dollars. I know some of you follow me here. You trade with the $100K, $200K, $300K. If you just want to have peace of mind, just buy ETH and the rest. You know, you buy ETH, have peace of mind, you rest. Okay. All my ETH is just blowing up, like blowing up. Like all of them is blowing up, bro. I have like a couple of ETH positions open, like it's blowing up, bro. And remember, ETH is what leads the bull run, not even Bitcoin. ETH is what leads. ETH is what leads the bull run. Bitcoin just does its own Bitcoin bull run, but when ETH starts pumping, other projects start pumping. I mean, bro, my LDO, that is, LDO is in ETH ecosystem, right? My LDO, as I'm talking to you, I use the 2x on LDO. Oh yeah, it's on this account here. Let me check. It's on this account. So Trump is gonna pump now too. So I'm on 2x on LDO. LDO is a token under Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, no, 3x, and I'm on 145% profit. 145% profit. That is to show that coins in ETH ecosystem are already pumping. So make sure you invest in ETH ecosystem. Yes, Miracle said, we wear our capital no choke more. Should we cop ETH tokens? Yes. Go into ETH ecosystem. Yes. Smart move. Because ETH will lead the bull run. Now, from what I'm seeing here now, ETH doesn't want to do a head and shoulder. ETH wants to create a double bottom. From what I'm seeing right now on this chart. Because with all this impulsive move, ETH doesn't want, there's a lot of buying pressure in ETH ecosystem right now. So ETH probably is not going to do a inverted head and shoulder, but it's going to do a double bottom. So ETH now needs to get to around 3,005 or close to that place just to make sure there's a breakout. So guys, this is making sense to you, right? Is this making sense? You feel them? Is this making sense to you? Is this making sense to you? I need to soon a comment. Make a sure all of us get together. But this is insane, no mad pump here, man. So when I see some comment of Omo say we are bearish, we are this one, I go just they laugh because none of them can tell you or show you this thing like this. And trust me, just thank God is a video. You will come watch and later you go see us in the play out. You're gonna be like, Omo, this guy bad. No, I'm not getting any bad or bad. I'm just following the market. I'm not going with my emotions. That is the reason why I said I'm not going to drop any short trade, any sell trade. I'm not going to drop sell trade or short trade. No matter how everybody can agree that this guy is always, anytime he drops a sell trade, they always bang. Anytime I drop a sell trade, they always bang. But I'm not going to do that. If I do that, I'll make some of you to sell off your token. And when you sell it off, to what end? Now, yesterday I put out, this is on ETH, right? On ETH. So yeah, yesterday. Okay, this is LTC. LTC is just very bullish. Like LTC is so bullish, man. Jesus Christ. I put out a trade on Luna yesterday. See our Luna trade now. Our Luna trade should be in how many percent profit now? Our Brevity is very bullish. Oh, hey God, very, very, very bullish. Waiting pay me that Trump now useless coin. That Trump know they follow market structure. I mean, it's too volatile for futures market. It's not like it doesn't follow market structure. See our Luna now. See our entry. When we had this breakout, had me to go take this trade from this breakout, but no, breakout and retest, then pump. Breakout, retest, pump. Breakout, retest, pump. Oh yeah, see I'm now. We're on this trade with 5x. So we're on 25% profit right now. 25% profit. So kudos, man. If you're holding this trade, kudos. Them go feel it same way with the feel now. Franklin, I swear, bro, like this is crazy, bro. There's a lot. So ETH to the moon. ETH is pumping. And if ETH is pumping, altcoins are pumping. Bro, the bull run is here. The bull run is here. Don't play. ETH has 4,000. The whole market will scatter. Like everything's going to go up, You get me? I'm on favor. He said, why is check Bitcoin dominance and why is rate dumping? I'm already dipping, no concern. I don't know for P2P traders. May I be crypto futures trader? So yeah. So now another important coin that we need to look into. I wanted to talk about just ETH, but let me check this USDT dominance. Oh yeah. So USDT dominance is dipping. And it's at a zone now. I'm not going to lie. This zone seems like a little support. This zone seems like a little support on the 4 hours though. So for this downtrend to continue, we'll have a retest that will dump crypto a little bit and then break. You understand? So, but then this is not really my concern. I don't want to really look into that right now. I just want to talk about things that are really very important and our expectations for February. First of all, February shall be bullish. This is Bitcoin dominance, my dear. And Bitcoin dominance is dumping, is bearish. Structure has been broken on Bitcoin dominance. And as Bitcoin dominance structure has been broken, you can see it clearly. Support, breakout. We have had our breakout, we have had our retest. You can see it. Let me expand it. A breakout retest. Bitcoin dominance is coming down here at least for now. Let me mark it out. This is on the 4 hours or not on the bigger time frame yet. Now down here, let me put it as support. So if Bitcoin dominance is coming there, your altcoins are going to breathe freely. But because of bear PTSD, a lot of people will not go. They're not going to check all this stuff. They are not, let me tell you another thing you need to understand, right? A lot of people cannot really work hard. A lot of people cannot, everybody wants to make money, but not everybody can pay the price. So that's how it is. A lot of people cannot really get themselves educated. You get me? So because if you really get yourself educated, all these are the signs, you're going to see them. It's very clear. Just like me, I put in a lot of like money into the market right now. I want to like, I'm an early adapter, I'm an early buyer. I position myself properly, because um we have to cash out. According to Shehu Kuti that came and was lamenting, Shehu Kuti lamented a lot. I believe some of you saw the videos I made about his lamentations. So yeah, the truth of the matter is that um crypto is wealth transfer, just like buying land. Anybody that bought land earlier is the person that might reap the highest fruit. So me, I'm buying early now so that some of you I can sell to some of you at the top, and I will leave both of you, and I will leave you under asset. When it dumps again, I'll come and buy from under. So right now, I bought from the bottom. I've been holding ETH. I will enter profit, enter loss, enter profit, enter loss. I don't want to scalp it because I have a target. What is my target? 7,800. If ETH get to $4,000, bro, I know the profit I'll be on. So these are like clear indications. I'm doing this live stream on YouTube because I want anybody from any part of the world can come and see it, and they'll confirm that Nigerian boys the power. You understand? We know what we're doing here. This is like world class shit to get me. So yeah, so this is it. BTC dominance. Now on a daily BTC dominance. First of all, I need you to understand that why all there is a resistance. Let me delete all of this and explain it to you right now on live. Now, this first neckline is a resistance, right? And what did BTC do? BTC dominance came here and hit this resistance, which is the neckline of, like I told you, remember I told you top one, top two. It came and hit this resistance and it respected it and came down. But just for it to fill up another resistance and respect another, what they call it had to come up here again. Even in this place, you see that the wick tested here. Now it came up here again now and hit this place. These are like sharp resistance that it at least needed to respect. And for me, in my own analysis, it had respected both of them from here. Now from here, you know what I told you about top one, top two, this is another top one, top two. Now from here, I'm expecting a serious decline in Bitcoin dominance, at least to this point. And if Bitcoin, let me put their support right now on the daily. And once Bitcoin dominance is coming to that point, my bro, your altcoins are free like a bird. In fact, it doesn't even need to get to that point for your altcoins to get free. But right now, it's going to be really, really free like a bird. So, just these dumps, now guess what? Okay, let's do a little bit social experience. ETH at 3,400, shut down, clear road, we up in this bitch. So let's do a little bit of social experience. Tell me the truth. Are you scared of buying coins now? Just comment yes, no. Let's do a little bit social experiment. Are you scared of buying coins now? Yes, so I'm in the village. My brother don't comment. Say yes, I'm in the village. Something, my bro. Okay, Miracle say I ain't scared. Louis say yes. So we'll have two scared and one is not scared. Let's keep it going, please. Let's be fast. Let's be fast. Let's fucking go. Let's be fast. So Reno, delete this thing where you post now. No cast update for here. That one a VIP update. Delete them. No cast update. Now later we'll share them when we don't cash out. No cast update. Delete them before I cast. Okay. Okay, Favor said I'm not scared. I'm not scared, but it's not easy. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So personally, my own thought, I think a lot of people are scared to buy because of BFPTSD. It's a thing I totally understand. But like I said, me, I will not drop a sell trade because of I know we are very, very bullish. I will not drop a sell trade. Trust me, a lot of you will be so happy this first quarter just for buying. just for buying and holding. All this your whole complaint, you'll be so happy. You know, when altcoins wants to move, altcoin can do you 50%, 70%, 100% in one day. Stephen James said, but has to be meme. Okay, let me advise you. If you want to last long in crypto space, take it from an OG. If you want to last long in crypto space, avoid meme coins. If you actually want to last long in crypto space, say you see, I drop ETH they pump. I drop Luna they pump. I drop Shiba they pump. But Shiba now has now, if you gotta read about Shiba, you see that Shiba has now turned to almost a store of value, if not a store of value now. So it has, that means part on narrative on Shiba don't come on, couple the market cap. But Trump, I drop Trump in his stop loss. Avoid meme coins, right? Avoid meme if you can. Avoid meme. Most of all those screenshots that those guys are posting of $1 to 1 billion scam. You will see too. For those of you that are active on HBAR, thank you. They don't remind me of HBAR. I drop HBAR, they fly up. You get me? Now, for those of you that are active on Twitter, you see two Idolo posting once the same screenshot of profit. I'm not gonna see them. When they see that kind of thing now, you get two big Idolo posting, so-called big Idolo posting the same screenshot of three that they both of them won. You got to know how these boys just they lie. You get all of them they lie. So avoid meme. The reason why I chose trading, always think longevity. I always say that think longevity. That is the smart thing to do. I still be. Some of you, I have some people that are following me that are way older than me. By God's grace, September 30th, I'll be 30 years old. So this is my last year being in 20s, you understand? So September 30th, I'll be 30 years old. So not be like say I too get sense or too get experience. But then I've watched a lot of people and I will always keep advising and keep saying, um, um, always think longevity. So when I read about Warren Buffett, I saw that Warren Buffett has been trading stocks for a very long time. Like, let's say, I think he read his first stock book when he was 11 years old. So I think he has been trading for a very long time, probably up to 50 years or so. It is called what? Trading, buying and selling of assets, sharp assets, solid assets. Nobody on earth have been doing meme coins for 5 years successfully. So I swear to you, nobody. So the only people that have been doing it for 5 years successfully are the people that are developing it, developers. Okay. So and you're not really in control. I love being in control. You're not really in control. But me, I can control my trade. I have my stop loss, my TP, my leverage, my everything. Victor, Igbele, let me just leave it at Victor. Victor say meme go make your life be like joke. No cap, bro. No cap, I tell you. So you can see Bitcoin dominance is on the fall. Is dropping. So for Bitcoin dominance to be dropping, bro, wow, to the moon, bro. To the moon. To the moon. So right now is not a time for you to be taking profits now. Now is a time for you to stack up. Stack up. You're gonna see your trades give you a lot of money. See, I did one CRV analysis. Let me know if I can see it here. But I was this is crazy. I did not share this trade that day because I was so tired. I finished doing it, but there are sometimes I'll walk and walk and walk. I cannot be able to share trade again. I'll just leave it. So see, it has done in 19%. And with our 5x, 5 times 19, bro, that's mad. Just one like the before and after. I'll share the before because I shoulder 2 and what? Parabolic move. That thing why I show make trading the happen. Make I use another. So here we go. Shoulder 1. You know how I go they talk. Since why they talk when I feel no they understand wetin dey happen. You understand? When I feel no understand wetin dey happen, but more like this, many things are happening. So be wise. Hey, Jesus Christ. Be wise. If you know how happy. So because I know say I get targets. So I know they for scalping. I said something about Solana. Who is asking me of Solana? Okay, you all want to see Solana. You want to see Solana analysis? Let me do Solana. You want to see Solana? You want to see Solana? Please be giving this video thumbs up. Mona give a like. Give him like. Right? Mona give a like. We just have only 15 likes here. Since that's not fair. Oh yeah, give a like. Give a like. Give a like. Give a like. Oh, give a like. As soon as they command me, they give a like. No, no kind of message. I never send me, bro. Everything just the pump. I did IU. I did IU 3x. So I did IU 3x. 3x leverage. I swear. I did on many coins, so I just hold low key. I no one talk. You know. So this year, God, this one pain me. Wait, see, make I share. How many of on a Telegram? Make I share the before of this CRV. Why no drop for now? Make I share the before now. See, I'm here. Okay, I just shared it on this thing. I just shared it on our Telegram community. You will don't see them right now. Okay, let us do soul. Let us do soul. I say something about soul. I think I told you guys to buy soul now. This month, when I was still at the gym, I said you all should. This one is for sport analysis. I said buy soul on sports. That we're heading to this point. So let me look for a clear chart and show you guys why we are doing this with soul. But I know we're on features already. But for those of you that deal with candlesticks, those of you that deal with candlesticks, you can agree with me that this 1, 2, 3 candle is called this 1, 2, 3 candle is called a morning star. Oh yeah, yes or no? 1, 2, 3 candle that I circled is called a morning star. Yes or no? Make I know whether I get analysts for here too. So that 1, 2, 3 candle I circled there is called a morning star, right? Yes or yes? Yeah, they no one comment to. Oh yeah, oh, comment on the drop. They see am say normal now. Yes, so yes. And a morning star, but not just I don't like to use all those things. Instead of me to use morning star trade, waiting I go trade for here now. Let me show you. I don't like using all those stuff to trade. But I know them. No next I know Sabia more. Why I say Sabia? I won't put them for your body, make you know self, me self na pro. So rather I use that morning star, we just simply trade bottom one, bottom two, breakout, retest to the neckline. You see, I'm like around the white tell and say, say so they very bullish. But you see, when I say so they very bullish, I want you guys because not my followers, not my fans. You understand? Not my followers, not my fans, not my supporters. So I want you to understand. You see the way that there was a breakout to that number 5 there. That number, that rather there was a retest to that number 5. I just saw we're not seeing your screen. Let me share my screen again because I need to make sure say waiting at the talk hit home. That's when I understand me. Share my screen is showing right now, right? My screen is showing, Abi. Hey, man, welcome. You're always on my live, bro. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you. So, guys, can you see my screen now? Okay, cool. So, please, I need you to understand. I want you guys to understand me. Because if you understand me, you can be able to benefit from me very well. So you see that morning I said we are very, very bullish on Solana. Buy Solana. Now, it will be confusing for a newbie because you are seeing dump on Solana from this place, from this number 4 to number 5. You are seeing dump already. It will be confusing for you, true or false, as a newbie. For the newbies here, it will be confusing. You'll be like, see Solana they fall. This guy they say make I buy. True or false? So I want you to understand me. So when I make statements, you'll be able to understand that, oh, this is what the biggest DC is talking about. So do you understand me? Yeah? Which is my screen? No, they show again. This Victor, and be like say they threaten me for this life. Oh. Please, is my screen showing now? It's what I'm saying making sense. Answer my question, please. They don't snub me again. I'm on a wow. Try, when I'm done telling you from number that it has come from number 4 to number, because you'll be like, it's dumping. But bro, that is the retest. You get me? So that was the point we took our Solana trade today. I said, buy. I'm at the gym. I cannot give a perfect signal now because I'm at the gym, but I'm seeing this on Bybit chat. Buy from here. Now, mind you, but once we have this breakout, have our retest back here, Otilo, another mother's pump again. So that is why you see now on different, you'll be seeing the market will always keep moving like this for uptrend. Because of there have to be many confirmation, there are many confirmations and many patterns and many things you need to be formed on its way up. So now down to Solana analysis. 4 hours, first of all, we're coming to 255 or 256. I've already explained myself with the whole double bottom. Right now, we have a morning star confirmation for boom. Right now, let us take it to a daily for my investors here. So as the chart is loading, I want to know how many of you are day traders and investors. How many of you are that here? Who is day trader? Who is investor? If you're investor, write investor. If you're day trader, write day trader. Let me know why we're doing this. So for those of you that have been following my analysis, investors, you guys are going to enjoy more from this daily time frame. Okay, for the investor, you enjoy more from it. Okay. So now remember, what did I tell you about my Fibonacci? This is my powerful Fibonacci. I said 61 is always my golden zone, the buy zone. I've said it. I say it all the time. 61 is my buy zone, my golden zone. And as you can see on my powerful Fibonacci, we have tested that 61. We have tested that 61. And from that 61, what are we having? Invest in Solana now. That's what I can tell you. From this 61, right? The entry could have been here, but let us enter from this morning star. If you can see, even on a day, we have a morning star. If I tell you confirmations we have on Solana confirmation, right? I just use my Fibonacci for this one, and Fibonacci is giving us 54% profit if you invest now in Solana. Please, I want to be sure that my dream chasers are with me. All right, sharp. So we have from here now, if you buy now as an investor, we're moving to 364 new all-time high. Now let me delete all of this. That is first confirmation of Fibonacci. For those of you that have been here, life, at least double bottom is not a new thing to what I have said. What I've been saying here since. So we have bottom one, we have neckline here, we have bottom two, we have breakout. We now have a retest to the neckline. Look at the retest here. Look at the neckline. Very, very clear. Pattern trading. That's the neckline zone. We've had our retest there. What are we expecting? Boom. Second confirmation. Second confirmation. For those of you that trade with candlesticks confirmation, you can attest to the fact that here, these three candles here again is a morning star. You dey feel am? You dey feel am? Shey you dey feel am like this? I'm on the biggest o. How far? I don dey swear. They don take light from my house. Problem dey o. This guy don't say on gen. No more problem though. How far you dey feel am abi? I don't know they reply me. I am no, they reply me. No gonna buy. Go analyze the market yourself. I say the things, mad things here. On my don't vex. You dey feel am abi no dey feel am? As I did like this, I be national asset oh. So if you do for me, guy, I go close this life and I'll go find am do am by myself. Me like this now, man of value. Comment don't choke. We dey feel am. I like the fact we dey feel am. They feel am. You don't understand. Why this guy they lament about Jupe? Wetin happen? Jupe wan carry go village. So, anyways, joke aside, our ETH. I say ETH. Let me bring that analysis back. So we are taking Solana to 364. Fuck your small plans. For those of you that don't believe this, fuck your small plans. If you don't believe this, you bro. Everybody they feel them. When you are skilled as I am, you self para. You understand? But for now, na me the hot, so I go the para. Fuck your small plan. This is some mad ass analysis, data analysis. Now they analyze big data here. You know how proud I am of myself, son of a driver, doing big things. Fuck your small plans. Oh, this guy will lament about Jupe. Let me do Jupe, and if I do Jupe, I'll take that day now. Wait. This is another previous analysis. This analysis I did on Jupe, I'm sure. See this Jupe. Hey, God, oh. You see this Jupe trade? You just come, just You remember that day that they were doing Jupe, what they call it, Jupe airdrop that they are not that they gave it out. That I said that Jupe is pumping. That we're going to see my Jupe take profit. Now Jupe take profit is at $3. And it came, hey, this guy won't trigger me this afternoon. Who even call this Jupe self? Make I find you. Make I go find where I go block you everywhere. You won't trigger me. Where this guy? This way do remind me of paying me now. See, that day, hi. See where Jupe came. Jupe just came down, touched our stop loss, did a 50% pump. I cannot forget. So let's say from our entry to the top that Jupe went to was 53% pump. And with our 5x leverage, that could have been a 250% profit or 5x. And for the whole thing now, who be that guy we talk about this Jupe? Allah. I say, make I ask community whether you dey feel am. You dey feel am. I don't drop am for Dream Chasers community. I need everybody to dey feel the pressure. They don't believe, say they don't know. So they hot. Yeah, so in they trigger me, I swear. In they trigger me. Person they tell me, so I'll be surprised if the market pump from here. You need to learn some new things so that you'll not be surprised. Person say screen no verse, make I share them again. So let's take one more trade. One more trade and one more stuff we're done. But I've done the major thing I wanted to show you guys, which was ETH. So what I'm telling you, today is monthly count. I swear, too active, bro. Too active. Oh yeah. So which one are we going to analyze now? Let us call it a wrap from here. This person they call ton. Don't call ton tire. Oh yeah, make I do ton now. If I do ton, we'll rest, Me self don't try. DC don't try. So let's do ton on Bybit. Chai. Wait, let me exit chat. I have an analysis on ton here. Okay, so this is ton on a daily. Okay, wait, let me try a weekly time frame on ton. Okay, I think we have an inverted head and shoulder. I've seen an inverted head and shoulder. So let's take Fibonacci first. I believe it's at my 61. You see how my 61 is perfect? So buy ton. You see, say, I swear, I go sell this. The day I go give her this Fibonacci setting, I go sell them. Make him be. I think sell out this Fibonacci settings for $2,000 because if you get these settings, I'm mad. So yes, that's my 61% profit at $12 ton. Yeah, buy it now. My video, they here as evidence. I tell you, say buy them now. Now there they go. My Fibonacci don't drive. This is big DC here. Buy them, buy them, buy them, buy them, buy them, buy them. All right, so turn to $12, new all-time high, $12, confirmed by the biggest DC, which is super, what they call it, Fibonacci. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much. Oh, there are some things I say when I say buy, even if market they dump, no say na retest they buy. Sure you get 330 for ETH. Fuck your small plans. I'm getting 3.5 today, bro. I might get 3.5 today. Damn, bro, that's a lot. Fuck your small plans, bro. On this bitch. Anybody will not believe them. Fuck your small plans. Oh, yeah, buy Tom. No, yes, so buy you. That big DC say so. Tom, man. We're going to the moon, bro. So imagine you had this skill, man. For mad. For mad. For mad, where. Oh, yeah, well, thank you so much. Obrigado. Thank you for joining. God bless you. Keep supporting Dream Chasers community. We're going to the moon. Bye, guys. 1 hour. Done. Bye. Bye.